So the experts and society, there's like a hidden agenda. I mean, when you become convinced that happiness is conditional and you need to rely on somebody else to give you those conditions in order to be happy, then you could be controlled. Then somebody could ask you to pay money. Somebody could expect you to conduct yourself in a certain way. And you feel you need to do that in order to maintain your joy inside, your happiness, feeling fulfilled. And I know I've been on this path for many decades of pursuing unconditional joy, unconditional happiness. And a lot of people, it's very actually confronting to them. If I say to somebody, I really don't need your approval to feel good about myself, a lot of people don't like that, because then they don't have the kind of control. They can't put you in a box. They don't know what to do. They feel a little disoriented. Here's some guy I could be any way I want, and he's not going to judge me, but at the same time, I'm not going to require them to think of me in a certain way in order to be happy. It's kind of different. Even our society, in the use of the words, of the languaging, really doesn't know about this unconditional happiness. It's just not in our lingo. Like if we said the word life, the way we use the word life, it's actually now a homonym. It's got two meanings. If somebody says to me, "Hey Jeff, how's life?" And I might say back to them, "Oh, it's good. Yeah, just got a new job. I'm really happy with it. So I relocated, moved into this nice house, and we're decorating, and it's coming out really good." That would be a typical answer, talking about the conditions, not really talking about life. Because if somebody said to me, "Hey Jeff, how's life?" and I say to them, "I'm really upset right now because my neighbor, who's a very good friend, just got in a horrible motorcycle accident and he's clinging to life." Now that's a different meaning to the word life. Now I'm talking about life as in existence, not the conditions. So which of the two are more important? Life existence, or life, the conditions, the things that we do, how things are going?
Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.